friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Bykski Waterblocks for Intel Arc A770 and A380 GPUs. So friend, the Intel Arc GPUs are slowly earning their place among cooling companies, and friend, both graphics cards have entirely different physical design but also vastly different performance, and the 16 GB VRAM based A770 features more memory modules and much larger GPU, while the A380 is literally using two memory modules and significantly smaller processor. And friend, the water block alone is an interesting idea. This is a 75-watt TDP graphics card that hardly requires more than two fans, yet now we are getting a liquid cooling alternative. And friend, there is growing community of content creators and gamers who are using A380 GPUs for their video encoding work, whereas the A380 serves a co-processor. And friend, those systems may already be liquid cooled, so it would probably make sense to put all discrete GPUs underwater. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the starting price is €140, and friend, the A380 water block is now offered at $190. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.